Hey there, UAE residents, ready to master the UAE Lottery? Let's dive into a simple guide to get you started. First, visit the official website, UAELottery.ae. Click on Sign Up or Register and fill in your full name, date of birth, Emirates ID, mobile number, and email address. Verify your email and phone with the codes you receive. Next, complete your KYC verification by uploading a clear image of your Emirates ID. Double check that all your personal details are accurate and up to date. Now, it's time to deposit some funds. Log in to your verified account and head to the wallet or deposit section. Choose a deposit amount of at least AED 50 and select your preferred payment method like a credit or debit card or pay by. Confirm the transaction and make sure your account balance reflects the deposit. To buy a ticket, go to the Play or Buy Tickets section. Select 6 numbers from 1 to 31, representing days, and 1 number from 1 to 12, representing months. Or, if you're feeling lucky, use the Easy Pick option for random selection. Review your numbers and proceed to purchase. Once you've bought your ticket, you'll get a confirmation email with all the details. You can also view your tickets under the Orders or My Tickets section on the website. And there you have it. Pick a template that matches your theme. Good luck and happy lottery playing.